It's my Husqvarna 235E, and here's my review of it. So for quite a while now, I've had this problem with my chainsaw where the chain will not stop spinning. I tried turning down the idle and the low jet, but neither of those stopped the chain. So I figured it had to be the clutch. So let's get that clutch off of there. I should warn you, I'm not a small engine mechanic. There's a tool for doing this, by the way. Oh, jeez. Now compare the new one. Can't hardly budge it. To put the new clutch on, I did everything in reverse, except I did have to take the starter rope off. It didn't want to turn backwards or something there that's designed to not do that. All better.